To receive deliveries as a tasker, tap on the sidebar button and tap Online. Tap Online to go online. This will enable you to receive orders. Once an order comes in, tap on it to accept the order. To get directions to the pickup location, locate point A on your map and tap on it. This will bring up two links to Google Maps. Tap on the first one to get directions to the pickup location. Once you have arrived A, tap Arrived A. To get directions to the drop-off location, locate point B on your map and tap on it. After picking up the item from the user and you are ready to go to the drop-off location, tap Go to B. Once you have arrived B, tap Arrived B. Rate the user and tap Rate. Tap Signature for proof of delivery of item to receiver. Type in the name of the receiver of the item. Tap on Take Photo to take a photo of the item being delivered to the receiver. Ask the receiver of the item to sign on the app. Tap Submit.